Need irrigation system maintenance, service and repair in Strathcona County? A well-maintained irrigation system is key to a lush, healthy landscape and efficient water use. At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert maintenance, fast repairs and customized solutions to keep your system running smoothly. Whether you're dealing with leaks, clogged sprinkler heads or uneven watering, our experienced team delivers affordable, high-quality service tailored to Strathcona County's unique climate. From routine tune-ups to urgent repairs, we ensure your irrigation system stays reliable all year round. With transparent pricing, skilled technicians, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we're Strathcona County's trusted choice for irrigation system maintenance, service and repair. Don't wait for small issues to turn into costly repairs. Call Kingstree Plumbing today or book online now.